Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Hassle-Free Open-Close Pool Cleaning Kit. What is Natural Chemistry Hassle-Free Open-Close Pool Cleaning Kit? Enjoy a hassle-free pool at the beginning and end of the season. Natural Chemistry's hassle-free kits contain two essential products. Open and close your pool using the 1-liter bottle of Pool Magic+PHOSfree spring and fall and 1 liter of METALfree. Product benefits: open a clear pool in the spring, greatly reduced spring maintenance, no phosphate buildup during off-season. Usage directions: hassle-free pool startup tips. Step 1. Brush and vacuum pool. Step 2. Test and adjust pH, total alkalinity, and calcium levels. Step 3. Adjust sanitizer to the proper level. Step 4. Add 1 bottle of METALfree directly to the pool. Step 5. Add 1 bottle of Pool Magic+PHOSfree through the skimmer with the pump on. Hassle-free pool closing tips. Step 1. Brush and vacuum pool. Step 2. Test and adjust pH, total alkalinity, and calcium level. Step 3. Adjust sanitizer to the proper level. Step 4. Add 1 bottle of METALfree directly to the pool. Step 5. Add 1 bottle of Pool Magic+PHOSfree through the skimmer with the pump on. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.